हेलो एवरीवन, मैं आपकी दोस्त महाश्वेता। सबसे पहले तो मेरे वो दोस्त जो मुंबई और महाराष्ट्र में या गुजरात के आसपास हैं, इतना बड़ा साइक्लोन आ रहा है, प्लीज़ स्टे सेफ, टेक केयर ऑफ योरसेल्फ, फॉलो द एडवाइजरीज गिवन बाय गवर्नमेंट एंड प्लीज़ अपने और अपने फैमिली का ध्यान रखें। आई नो हम लोग जिस जॉब में हैं वहाँ पे कई बार हम अपनी फैमिली को छोड़ के बाकी सबका ध्यान रखने निकल पड़ते हैं। दैट वी डू, दैट हर्ट यू आर पार्ट ऑफ माई लाइफ, सो एटलीस्ट यू शुड डू इट फॉर मी एज वेल एज योर फैमिली। सिर्फ दैट आज मैं बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक पे बात करने आई हूँ। आज प्लान है मेरा वीमेन हेल्थ के ऊपर बात करने का। अभी हमने मेंस्ट्रुएशनल हेल्थ डे सेलिब्रेट किया। आई होप रिमेंबर 28 में मेंस्ट्रुएशनल हाइजीन एंड मेंस्ट्रुएशन हेल्थ डे सेलिब्रेट किया था हमने। कई लोग थोड़ा इस वर्ड को लेके मेंस्ट्रुएशन, मेंस्ट्रुअल हेल्थ, मेंस्ट्रुअल हाइजीन, इस वर्ड को लेकर शायद कंफर्टेबल नहीं होते हैं, तो दे मेड इट वीमेन हेल्थ डे। ओके, फॉर योर हेल्थ इट इज़ वीमेन हेल्थ एंड मेंस्ट्रुएशन इज़ ओनली व्हेन मेन फन टॉपिक और joke topic. For we female, it is the only trouble we face every month, round the clock. It just comes to us, and it's okay. It's okay to be troubled by something which is so great. And menstruation is a big deal for the whole world. Even कहते हैं ना, menstruation is that big deal. दुनिया चलाने के लिए women are the only one who are empowered by God himself. Okay, I don't know, हम लोग ऐसा क्यों बोलते हैं God himself? Why not God herself? हम सोच लेते हैं कि भगवान एक आदमी ही है। Anyway, that's a secondary context. Maybe some other day we'll talk about God and godliness. आज women health के बारे में बात करेंगे और नहीं, ज्ञान नहीं दूंगी, मैं वो कहूँगी जो मैंने थ्रू किया। जो लोग मेरे दोस्त हैं उन्हें पता है। ओके, इससे पहले जो लोग इस वीडियो को देख रहे हैं, इसमें कई लोग मेरे रिलेटिव्स हैं, मेरे एल्डरली फैमिली मेम्बर्स और मुझसे छोटे मेरे भाई, मेरे घर के बच्चे। दे आर गोइंग टू सी दिस वीडियो एंड आई नो इट इज़ नॉट वेरी कंफर्टेबल थिंग फॉर यू बिकॉज आई नो माई फैमिली, बट प्लीज़ लिसन टू इट। और हो सके तो अपने घर की बेटियों को भी ये वीडियो दिखाइए जो शायद मेरे फ्रेंड लिस्ट में नहीं है। खुद देखने के बाद उन्हें ये वीडियो दिखाइए। सो टू डिपिक्ट द फैक्ट ऑफ मेंस्ट्रुएशन पीरियड, it is only spoken about, okay, a woman bleeds, that's it. And the only problem the world speaks about menstruation is, okay, bleeding, so blood loss. And they speak about hormonal health, okay, hormone spikes or mood swings, that's the trouble. But there are few troubles that nobody speaks, and I'm going to talk about them, like pad rashes. Nobody speaks about it. I don't know, it is only troubling issue for me, or it's just me. I don't know, but I don't think it is possible. It is troubling issue for every woman who wears a pad and faces it. लेकिन पेन इज सब्जेक्टिव थिंग, तो everybody faces it themselves. और इंडिया में तो डेफिनेटली वी हैव बीन टॉट इट टू बी हश हश मैटर। पीरियड्स हो गए, दूर दूर रहो, किसी से बात नहीं करना, ज़्यादा घूमना फिरना नहीं। So nobody talks about it. So I will talk about pad rashes. I'll talk about the smell. I'll talk about the infections. I'll talk about the itching, I'll talk about the wet feeling, I'll talk about the discomfort. These are not mood swing matters, believe me. These are real. We face them, we suffer it, and we still smile. And people like me who are working ladies, actually every lady is working in India. Somebody works at home and gets no pay, and people like us at least get some money out of our job. But yeah, still I would talk about the working woman who has to go to work, where she is surrounded by unknown judgy people. She cannot express even the cramp when it comes. Okay, ये फेस भी नहीं बना सकते, and she has to smile to hide her mood swing, so-called mood swing. And the worst, there is no private bathroom. I'm not going to talk about the place, but yes, I have worked in a place where I am in middle of 50 per se men around me in a closed net zone. I'm a nurse, I told you. So yes, I'm talking about a ward in a hospital, and there is no private bathroom. So if I have to go to bathroom, I have to share the bathroom with the males are also using. Yeah, you guys send your daughters to the working place, and yes, they face it. And I haven't spoken about it too much, like openly kabhi bola nahi, because they say you are supposed to suffer when you are earning money. A lot of things will not be as per you expected. Okay, but yeah, these are the trouble. So in such a condition, it's not only the mood swings, believe me. Human has to understand it. Mood swings because something in the system is bugging her off, not the hormone only, not the pain only, not the discomfort only. Said that, what I faced, I'll tell you. Till 2016, I was been using most available commercial sanitary pads. Okay, before that I should say till 1998 I was using clothes, reusing them every month. But once I went to my training school, my mom said, okay, कहाँ सुखाएगी, तो पैड खरीद देते हैं. So that became an extra खर्चा. Okay, we all remember all the pad stories of our training session, training school, training time. But okay, we are not going to talk about that. But yeah, after that sanitary pad came into my life, and yes, most spoken about sanitary pad in around us is Whisper, right? So yes, I used Whisper, and lately, till I left these commercial sanitary pads, I was using Stay Free Advance. That was very good. And I was being always obese, so my blood flow amount was always more than usually it's supposed to be, and it's okay. I was never anemic about it. No, I was anemic for some time, but yes, I understood it. It has to be taken care of, so I ensured my hemoglobin level normal. But yes, I needed sanitary pad Advance those days, Advance ones, Stay Free, and till 2016 I was using these commercial pads. And then something happened. I was suddenly, I should say, without a warning, I was introduced to a new company pad that was, Aries. I hope you can see it. ज़्यादा लाइट नहीं दिख रहा हो. Aries, okay, Aries sanitary pad, and I was like, ये क्या है, ये किस लिए भेजा. अच्छा, okay, somebody sent it to me, खुद खर्चा करके मुझे भेजा. So I said let's see क्यों ज़रूरी है. And believe me, the first pad itself was like wow, ये क्या है. एंड पीपल हु नो मी दे नो मुझे ट्रैवल करना पसंद है, और हमारे जॉब की वजह से भी ट्रैवल अराउंड लॉट ऑफ प्लेसेस. लाइक एक जगह से दूसरी जगह पोस्टिंग जा रहे हैं, टेम्परेरी ड्यूटीज़ पे जा रहे हैं, और कभी कहीं चले गए, किसी ऑफिस में मीटिंग है, कहीं और कुछ फलाना. एंड आई टोल्ड यू दैट बाथरूम ट्रैवल, तो लॉट ऑफ अदर प्लेसेस बाथरूम्स यू हैव टू गो, लाइक या टू यूज़ द बाथरूम. And I told you, sharing bathroom with men, so the infection and the troubles were so immense. Infection, itching, I don't know how to say it, like there were no possible option for me to go to a doctor and tell कि okay, I am facing this. It was so common. I almost learned to live with it till 2016. And 2010, 11, 12, all those places, ये स्वच्छता अभियान स्टार्ट होने से पहले सुलभ शौचालय भी इतने भद्दे और अनक्लीन होते थे. So even if you are traveling and using सुलभ शौचालय, still you knew कि you are bringing back infection. Hell. So that first cycle of my period when I used Aries was wow. It's cool. It's a good pad. Comfortable. Less sweaty than usual pads. वे मोर एब्जॉर्बिंग. लाइक हम लोग पैड्स कपड़ा क्यों यूज़ करते हैं? ब्लीड कर रहा है, ओके, जैसे नाक बहता है पोंछ लिया, ऐसा भी तो हो सकता है. हम पैड्स क्यों यूज़ करते हैं? बिगेस्ट ट्रबल इज वी डोंट वांट स्टेन. या वी डोंट वांट आवर क्लोथ्स टू बी स्टेन. एंड देन द हाइजीन पार्ट, देन द वेटीनेस वी डोंट वांट, देन द इन्फेक्शन प्रिवेंशन एंड सो ऑन, राइट? सो दिस पैड एक्चुअली won my heart. वाओ, वेरी फर्स्ट साइकिल. और मुझे जितना भेजा था, 2 पैकेट्स आई थिंक भेजा था फर्स्ट साइकिल में. तो उसके बाद इट बिकेम रेगुलर. आई वॉज बाइंग एरीज फ्रॉम द कंपनी नेम टियान्स इंटरनेशनल. आई वॉज बाइंग एरीज टिल सिंस 2017 Jan till date. Maybe once I had to buy because pads were out of stock in country. I was not getting pads, so I think once I bought Stay Free some time back. Other than that, I was using Aries. Alright. And I used to say it when people asked me about pad and okay, why are you using this costly pad? Because Aries is very costly, trust me. The comparison is way beyond very costly pad. I would say such amount of absorption power, long working hours. All of us know the working hours we face. Long working hours, you don't have to change every now and then. You can simply just pass 8-9 hours. A person like me who bleeds heavy, person other than that, these pads are even 24 hours. If you don't change, infection rate is less. And there are methods given inside the pack itself. To check whether you are getting infection or not during the use or after the periods are over. You can check your level of infection. Okay, and many good qualities. Like I just opened the pack and sealed it back. You know, this is impossible with our so-called costly whisper. You have to tear it and then leave it in the cupboard. So chances of cockroach getting in, Dimag and all the infections getting in. Here, seal pack. Tetra Pak system, you know, in packing system, best packing system is so far known is Tetra Pak system. So the facility of preventing infection starts from the packet itself. So yes, I was blown by the quality and the capability of this pad. And I used to say कि अगर बंदूक भी लगा लोगे मेरे सिर पे, still I will not change my pad. It's that good. and then Corona happened. I am at home these days, and since March I am stuck at home. It's June and I could not go home back, and I came only for 12 days leave. So you can imagine how prepared I was. So I, all deliveries, every possible thing was closed. But then some company, so I think Spencer, I purchased it. They were agreeing to home deliver it here, so I purchased a Whisper packet. And my friends, I'm looking into your eyes. Actually, let me think. Camera is your eye, and I'm telling you, all hell broke loose once I started using Whisper again. 2 more cycle, because I kept pad like all women preparedness. We always keep a pad in our bag, and so I had 8 pads packet, 2. But I told you I am a heavy bleeder, so I require 10 minimum pads per month. So first month was alright. Second month I had to buy it, and another month I used it. Believe me, all hell broke loose in the second month when I used back this Whisper again. And I cannot explain the disgust I was going through. I cannot explain the wetness, the sweaty feel, that I almost forgot the feeling. Believe me, I forgot the feeling. And staining my clothes. God damn it, I was thinking these guys earn so much money on advertising, and these women who are actually advertising it in TV, all the commercials, do they even really use it? And if they do, if they're working women and they're using it, do they face what I face, what I just spoke? Do you guys face it? And the rashes over the thighs, the pad, synthetic pad, like God, those synthetic layers, they just cut through your skin. Bad rashes around your labia majora, which just burns for days after the period is over. My God, I don't know how I was using and survived these many years. And then I decided it's time I have to speak to people about it. Women health is not something to play with. It's God's factory. Even God wants to bring Einstein back on this earth, he has to look for a woman. He cannot give it just like a anda. Okay, पेट से गिरा अंडा आइंस्टाइन निकला, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. He has to look for a woman, a worthy, healthy woman, where a Einstein brain can be built by God himself. So it's not something to play with at all. And many of you are having daughters, and I really hope you are telling them not to feel awkward about it. Believe me, I'm talking to the whole world with this video. But if my mom walks in and she asks क्या पीरियड जो आएगा, and I feel so angry, माँ को क्यों पूछना है ये बात मुझसे? Because she's the one who taught me to be awkward about it, and there's no lie about it. My job told me there's nothing to be awkward. Okay, you keep it hush because people feel awkward, but I can talk about it to everybody. But माँ पूछती है, मुझे गुस्सा आ जाता है. क्यों पूछना है ये बात? बाकी तो नहीं पूछते हो, क्योंकि सुसु करके आया क्या, पॉटी करके आया क्या, नहीं पूछते हो. पीरियड्स के लिए क्यों पूछना है? Please don't teach your daughters to be awkward about it. Let them talk about periods. It's okay. And teach your men, teach your boys, teach your sons that there is nothing to be awkward about. Women are the strength why the world is going strong. And about sanitary pad, you can always Google it. Is my pad safe? Just simple sentence. Is my pad safe? एक अच्छा लिपस्टिक खरीदने में हम 2-3 हज़ार खर्च कर देते हैं. एक सनग्लास 5,000 की आती है, गुड सनग्लास. तो कैन आई रिक्वेस्ट यू टू स्पेंड दिस 5,000 rupees for 1 year डोंट आस्क मी क्वेश्चंस, जस्ट यूज़ इट। और नहीं, बीच बीच में मुझे फ़ोन करके गाली भी दे सकते हो कि अरे क्या बकवास चीज़ खरीदा, बट आई वॉज रिक्वेस्टिंग यू बाय इट फॉर 1 year, यूज़ इट, and then suddenly like I had to do it, go back to your favorite pad for a cycle or maybe 2. Maybe you will realize it what I was talking about. Why this is a lifesaver, and trust me, you will wear a band, a friendship band of my name after you use it 1 year, and you will tell me I am your forever friend. So today I am going to request all my friends to Google about women health. The simple question, is my sanitary pad safe? कि बंदूक के नोक पे भी मैं अपना पैड चेंज नहीं करना पसंद करूँगी। इट्स दैट गुड। 2 टाइप्स में आता है, डे यूज़ एंड नाइट यूज़। नाइट यूज़ इज़ लॉन्गर, लेकिन नाइट यूज़ में ओनली 8 पैड्स आते हैं, और डे यूज़ इज़ स्मॉलर। इसके स्ट्रक्चर में ही डिफरेंस रखा है। एंड डे यूज़ के पैकेट में 10 आते हैं। एब्जॉर्ब्स, ईच पैड कैन एब्जॉर्ब इवन 100 ml ऑफ liquid, 100 ml. I'll send you that video what I have, and actually it does, it actually does, and it's amazing. But you have to let it work. Like anything new you start, it has an effect कि आपको पसंद आए ना पसंद आए, तुरंत क्या फील कर रहे हैं आप. So at least few months you use and then go back to your favorite pad and you will understand what I spoke today. With this note, I will finish up today's video. और इस वीडियो के बाद गाना बनता नहीं है, तो no, I am not going to sing today.